Alright guys, so in this video we're gonna take him in the C8, show him how crazy the dig really is. Hopefully we'll get a good reaction.
I cannot fit properly in the C7.
Yeah. Right. It's got the headroom.
You got some cloth from when they clean. Right?
Yeah.
See,
oh yeah, the cloth, right? I know. Bro, it's the freaking worst. How you know it's got serious now? Nah?
It doesn't obstruct your vision in any way? Or
nah. So basically, it's so small, like I basically like see past it. So
okay.
It's pretty good for now.
Cause that look like it's directly from
directly from.
Like you got goggles or something.
Nah, man. I honestly begin to use this so much that I'm so accustomed to it now. So
yeah, you don't have to. It's difficult to hold the phone, but I like the flexibility.
Yeah, because
like
at least the GoPro
you can look anywhere too.
Right. But, so,
geez, boy, let's see.
I just do a quick one.
Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah. We gotta get the little. Ready?
All right, yeah, I'm ready.
Start spinning.
Oh, wait, you were manually shifting?
Manually shifting.
Oh.
If I honestly change it, it does this. Hold on. Hopefully no one's gonna come behind me. Let's see.
God, that thing is loud.
It's loud as hell though, right?
It's kind of scary, yo. Okay. Hey, God, bro, I don't know what you're talking about the torque, but the torque is like feels like the same as mine, like the same.
It feels
kick,
the same way, right?
like the same hard kick, like it's
yeah.
How much torque does this have again?
Probably 490 something or 500 something. It's crazy though.
Oh, I need to get one of these.
Yeah. So much. Oh damn, this car is behind me. Hold on. I'll tell him to go around. Go around. Yeah, man, the freaking like launch in these cars is crazy. And just the fact that it's so loud is what really makes it better. Like
yeah. But I'm sorry, I don't know how when Jay launched, he wasn't even spinning at all. It was just,
you know what it is? Because I pretty much begin to bring it up to like 5K, so it spins a lot. If I only do like 2 or 3K, it's not too bad. So watch, look.
Oh yeah.
You see?
Oh, yeah,
directly pulls.
Yeah.
So
hey, that's it. That was definitely faster.
Yeah.
That was definitely faster. Because I guess it's not cutting the power. Like,
I guess so.
Much,
yeah. So
is that going off like that? Is there something?
It's supposed to. It might be a cop all the way. Oh no, for that tiny little camera there. So this thing picks up everything. Like yeah. I like it though, because at least it's always gonna tell me like if there's a cop or something. So,
that's going crazy.
But bro, I'm telling you, this car is a monster. People have no idea. And
how much does it weigh? I think this weighs like almost nothing. Right?
Yeah, it's next to nothing. It's super light, so that's why these cars could just take off, man.
The brakes are crazy.
And the brakes are crazy, right?
It doesn't even look like it's about to stop. But it's, man, I'm just picturing that. If this is this crazy, like, imagine the 06, bro.
Exactly, it must be insane.
Oof.
So this one I'll probably try in Z mode. I'll show you how crazy this thing spins. This
as long as we don't spin out like a
yeah, nah.
Alright, this should be interesting.
I'm telling you,
we gotta
man.
find a road besides the heat.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe
go further. Is there any back roads somewhere? Let's see.
I know when I was over like this way, I saw a sheriff.
Oh, okay.
The way I went somewhere, so we
probably could stay on this road too, because this thing is a pretty long road. If we keep going past here,
yeah,
it's a pretty long road. Let's just kind of scope it out a little bit.
Maybe around here.
Yeah, true. We could even just go on a straight run here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's nice on the wire.
Right. I'll take us back to gas station. So what's up, man? Tell me your thoughts on the
it's kind of scary because like
right, it starts spinning.
Is this technically still considered American muscle?
Kind of, yeah.
It's been a while since I've been in like a car that's like muscle car feelish. I know this car is like more closer to like a supercar feel.
Right. But it still has the sound of.
It feels scary, and like how low it feels to the ground. It's kind of scary. Right. I'm gonna lie.
It's true. It's true.
And when it hooks, bro.
When it hooks, it's taken off, you know? But
Jesus.
Just these cars, man, it's just.
Yeah, everybody tell me like, why don't I go Corvette? The only reason I don't go Corvette because I feel like, okay, so I can't. The Camaro is small, right?
Right.
But the thing is, the Corvette is smaller, and I can't go this too small for me. Too small.
Right.
Fit much better in here than the C7, but still, it's you know.
Yeah, the C8 has a lot more space. The C7.
Yeah.
The only good thing about the C7 is the trunk space. The trunk space is a lot better, but besides that.
But. Yeah, so guys, I would not get a Corvette, but this car is a freaking nice.
It's a monster.
Jesus.
Yeah, man, it's insane, man.
Yeah. Well, you don't be scared about like curbs and speed bumps, bro. This thing's.
I do sometimes. Oh, damn. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, yes, because the car is super light and I have this kit on there that I can pretty much scrape constantly.
Like
but
0.2
everything always has to be everything got to be on an angle. Yeah. So, damn, sheriff right there.
See, I couldn't deal with that. I know I would destroy this.
You would destroy it?
Like being that low, bro.
Right.
I'm not used to low cars. I've never lowered a car in my life.
Oh, okay.
Or owned one this low.
Right. Yeah, honestly, it takes some time to like really adjust to the height and how it is, because it takes just like a minute of being super low and gotta know like how to take corners and things like that. But besides that, everything else is great, man.
Oh, guys, don't forget these videos are AI generated.
AI generated. We are not in Florida. Don't worry.
Not real. I think you said like mine. I tuned mine to like fake the speeds on the dash, make it go faster.
Yeah, guys. So
I think Corey said he had the same thing on.
Any speed you see here is all fake, guys.
Yeah. So
all right.
Try these at home, man. You know what I'm saying? Or do we don't care? You know, but I'm just saying. All right, so we're gonna go to that road.
And then. Yeah.
See.
All right. Sounds good, man.
Guys, now is the time you've been waiting for, man. See,
let's go.